Look at all these leaves. I am coming on. Okay. Anyways. Holding the baby. Where are we going? We're gonna go to Omaha. We're gonna go to Omaha today.
Yeah.
Look at all those bottles. Oh, the grass. Right there.
Wow.
Yeah.
When?
Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's go and get up in there.
Up, 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 up to me.
Yeah.
I know where it is.
Where what?
This. I changed my pants.
Well, you need to change your pants.
I changed my pants.